Howdy crew, I'm going to go over a proposed layout for the welding rig truck bed. Let's get to it. So I'm in the back of my F-150 Lariat measuring out for the Trailblazer 330 air pack along with the gas tanks laying down. And I'm laying out a general blueprint, and what I'm using as lines is the alfalfa hay and Bermuda and Timothy grass that I bought from my house. And there's remnants still in the truck, so I'm laying it out so if I don't like it, I can sweep it all over to the side and start all over again. What I have done is I got a comforter that was torn up by my two Great Danes, and I've cut that into the size of the width and length of the Trailblazer 330 air pack, along with what I plan on holding the gas tanks with. And so that way I can move it around. You'll see some footage at the end with my cat, who would not let me do anything because she wanted to be petted. So she's the welding rig cat, and my cat's name is Mama's. So she's going to be in the way trying to help out and all. But you can see the general layout. There will be another video coming up very soon where I will have it laid out with the comforter that I cut into the dimensions, and y'all be able to see that. But this is what I'm doing. It's a very cheap, inexpensive way. So if y'all have something to lay out in the bed of a truck that you just have lying around, do it. It don't have to be fancy. You don't have to cut things out of wood and make it super spectacular. Just something that's very simple, gives you a general guideline of what you're doing. You can visualize what you're doing, and it helps. So here it is. What do you think there, mamas? What do you think? Yeah. Oh, me. Oh, me. Yeah. Yeah. I know. You gotta help. You gotta help. Wouldn't be able to do all this without you. I know. No, you don't need to scratch my hand. No, you don't. I know. Hey, you're gonna lay down right where I need to move stuff. Those claws. Mercy.